We will make an easy spread today, with cream cheese, radishes, and a hint of garlic. You will need 150 grams of whipped cream cheese, 6 red radishes, 1 clove of garlic, and salt. Wash and trim the radishes. Grate the radishes using a fine grater. Once you grate the radishes, peel a clove of garlic. Crush the garlic using a garlic press. Add a bit of salt. Add whipped cream cheese. This is the same type of cheese that is often used to make salmon and cream cheese sandwiches. Mix all ingredients with a fork. Taste the spread and add more salt if needed. This healthy spread can be enjoyed on a slice of bread, an oatcake, or a piece of rye. You can store the radish spread in the fridge. The radishes will lose some water, so you might need to drain the liquid the next day. You could squeeze the liquid out of the radishes once you grate them, if you know that the spread won't be eaten straight away.